Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great! We've got a few more tools left down here to learn. Before anything, make sure to like this video, and if you're into animation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, for these options to be active, you need to have a vector layer selected, like this layer you see here. So, to save time, we've already drawn these shapes for the tutorial. If I select the shapes using the Select Points tool, you'll see that these options become active for me. The first option is Perspective Points. When I select it, I can transform the selected shape like this, stretching it left, right, up, or down, exactly like you see in the video. This way, you can create a 3D-like effect in your design. We can also transform any other shapes into perspective mode using this tool. The next option is Shear Points. To use it, the shape you select needs to have volume. For example, I'm testing it on this line, and you can see that the change isn't really noticeable. Now I'll select another shape so you can better understand the change. As you can see in the video, it shear the shape like this. And as you can see, neither the shear points nor the perspective points have any special settings. The next option is Bend Points, which curves the shapes. Let's test it out together. I'm zooming out a bit so you can see it better. If you drag up or down, the curve will follow the direction you drag. The next option is Noise, which adds some randomness to your shape. Let's test it out together. If I drag to the right, it adds noise. Before releasing the mouse click, I can drag back to the left to reset it, but if I release the mouse, it locks in that state, and I'll need to use the Ctrl+Z shortcut to undo it. I'll try it on this circle as well. But keep in mind, if your shape doesn't have many points, like this rectangle, you won't notice much of an effect. If you're into animation, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop your questions in the comments section.